The supply chain is full of automation, but the final mile still belongs to the people.
We build for the people behind the delivery.
At B&P Manufacturing, we design and build equipment that supports the toughest part of material handling, where machines stop and people step in. From warehouses to delivery routes, our products make that work safer, easier, and more efficient. Our hand trucks, curb ramps, and power-assisted designs are built for real-world delivery. They reduce strain, improve safety, and help workers move heavy loads over curbs, thresholds, and tight spaces where automation simply can't reach. Because when you protect workers, you improve efficiency, reduce injuries, and create a safer, more productive workforce. Because the last mile isn't automated, it's human.